My ancestors. It will be wrong for my only palm fruit to get missing in the ashes. You gave me this child to foster as a father, and it will be sacrilegious for the ancestors to send a child to the market to buy salt and then send torrential rain against him. Mbana. Odiroma. The vulture is the most revered bird. It is not for consumption. I cannot lose my child. I am Wodo, the son of Ifare Bama, the great herbalist, known for justice, truth, and equity. I cannot lose my son. Boji akaji nwam. Yarapu nwam aka any hand holding my son. Leave him alone. Onwegi nke o metara. O will mkpụrụ nwa. Otu anya ji isi ụgwọ. Ọbasi dị n'elu na-ekwu ya mgbe ọbụla yara orange nyekwe m isi ya enwere m anya ukwu. Anyọkwa m konko. Onye ọbụla anyọkwurukwa anya.
We could do this guy well now. This thing no enter. I don't face you this time. Eh?
You know what? We have to run back. Let's find him immediately. We'll go find Anana. This guy must pass.
Good evening, sir.
No.
Good evening, sir.
No, we saw your son's clothes covered with blood inside the bush and some of his flesh scattered at the spot.
Chai, Sebenjana. What could have killed him?
Take her to 9. It must have been the wild animal that killed him.
Maybe they had to fight with that in the forest.
Who knows?
Where is his cloth?
No, we did not bring the clothes with us because we thought it's of no use.
Go back for his clothes. Bring his clothes. Let me keep it as a relic of the tragedy that fell my son. Go back and bring his clothes.
Take her to the
Nice, sorry.
Go back, go back and bring his clothes.
Papa, good evening.
My daughter.
Papa.
How are you?
I am not fine. What am I hearing? What, please tell me it's not true. Where is my Zebe?
I don't know where he could be. But I certainly know that he's not in the land of the dead. Yes. It's not.
Papa, you seem not to be worried about his disappearance and the rumor that he's dead.
Where's Ade Funamba? Sir Benjo cannot be dead until I must have buried him myself. And even if he dies, he still lives in my heart. So I must find my son dead or alive. Yes.
I agree.
The news is everywhere. Zebenjo is dead.
Hey! What happened to him?
I don't know. The mystery behind his death is unknown. Unknown.
Hey! Who did that innocent boy offend? That they had to take life out of him so quickly?
Well, maybe he offended someone who could not take it. So they connived and killed him.
Caricia, why is your heart so full of biles and obsession? Why have you connived to kill Zebenjo just because he has not been giving you the attention you wanted from him? Hi, Caricia. I couldn't have believed you could do a thing like that.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't. See, I only came to tell you because I felt it's necessary for you to know. So you can sympathize with the bereaved.
Hey! Soro mobu madu, soro madu bizwawa. Caricia, is it not true that the same lonely path that his clothes were found is the same path I saw you the day he got missing? How do you explain that you are not responsible for his death, Caricia, when everybody knows that you have always wanted Zebenjo? Caricia, Ojabeni Ozu. Ojabeni
Ozu. Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Why should I not cry? Is it not my fellow human being who died? A young man like me. I cannot believe that human being can be this evil to kill fellow human being just like that. Kalisa, why would you have to do that?
Basic. Leave me.
Kalisa, you. Chineke, Zebenjo. Kalisa, don't come now. It's not good. Zebenjo. My second just I love Zikora, but I cannot take life for that same cause. Since she refused to be with me, have I killed her? I'm not killed before for somebody that I love. Otaku Wadi. So the mom will mad you.
Never know Biago.
Obiago, where is your sister?
Obiago, I am asking you, Mama, where is your sister?
Mama, again, am I want to tell my sister?
Mama, am I my sister's keeper? Anyway, the last I saw her, she declared herself a terrorist and an enemy of this household. Ran away from the compound. I'm sure she's somewhere now dealing with the news of Sebenjo's death.
Did you kill him?
Does it matter? Does it matter? Sebenjo was very annoying. Very, very annoying. A lot of people hate him. And then his pomposity and carrying himself like this attracted a lot of enemies to him. So if I did not, another person would have. Mama, his death is good for us. Very good thing. A very good thing.
Obiago, just pray nothing happens to my daughter. Because if anything should happen to her, if anything should happen to Zikora, I will never forgive you. So if you know where she is, you better go now and bring her back.
Why is everybody suspecting me? Eh? Am I the only one that hates him? I am not. He's pompous and carries himself like a god. His death is a good thing for me. Good thing. Because there'll be no you again to contend with me. And then my wife to be Kalisia, who has been nursing deep and secret affection for you, will now concentrate and marry me. I'm bouncing it on this. Your wall to cook it out. Kevin the Lynch himself.
Agụpụ ala ndị ọba, ala nna nna anya. Aha m efuna nke onye efuna. Ka onye ji ejisie ya ike ihe onye na-eme. Akara aka ya ọchụ nwa ọkụkọ ada, nwa ọkụkọ nwenwe ọsọ. Ihe a bụ ọjị. Na nna anya na ọjị. I am. My daughter. So you're still here.
I'm still here. I will wait. I will wait for Zebenjo's spirit to come take me with him. Zebenjo can't leave me.
My daughter, I believe you. How I wish and hope the gods will understand the language of our sorrow and bring back my son. The gods of our land. That is my prayer.
Mama. Why in Calicia? Mama. I was coming to your place to check if Zikora slept in your house.
Mama, she did not. Besides, I've searched for her everywhere.
Hey. Everyone can want know. Where could she be?
Did you check late Zebenjo's place?
You see?
Why are you looking at me like that? Zebenjo is dead. Dead and gone forever, so... Hello?
Your concern should be how to find your sister.
I stated the obvious. Zebenjo is dead and gone. The moment my sister realizes that and moves on, the better for her.
Mama, don't worry, Nogo. I will go and search for her at Maziodo's place. And if I find her there, I'll bring her back to the house immediately.
But let me come with you.
Okay.
Let me come with you.
Mama.
Madness. Now we're one room now. Ma, you're gonna get okay, the native doctor. I thought I was a man. Allah. Overall, what to do? Overall, how to do?
Wait. I don't understand how you mean when you say you don't know what happened to him. You have been waiting for an opportunity like this to take life out of him. Listen to me. It is obvious that you are the one who is responsible for his disappearance. And I am going to promise you that I will keep the secret for you. I know. So tell me, how did you do it?
But I...
Listen to me. This is not what you should start trying to defend yourself about. Everybody in this our community knows that you did it. Listen to me. This is not something you need to be scared about. Everybody in this community does not like Zebenjo. Zebenjo is very annoying. And his disappearance is a welcomed development in this community. Everybody is now seeing you as their hero. So you have nothing to worry about. Tell me, how did you do it?
Well, story for another day. And it was not easy planning and executing this whole thing. It was not easy at all. I was thinking I would be reported to the king and maybe possibly excommunicated for murder.
Excommunicated for what? Did you not know that Zebenjo and his father are the one who are excommunicated in this community? His father cannot identify with anybody or any decision making in this community, so he cannot even report you to the king. Yes! Listen to me, my friend. You have nothing to worry about at all. Yes. You don't have anything to worry about. So tell me, my friend, how did you do it?
It was not easy. Planning and executing this whole thing was a difficult task.
Now tell me, how is the news of his death meeting your sister?
Well, she disappeared since yesterday. Came back this morning, entered her room, locked herself up, but hey, who cares? Who cares? I know they see him. Because any man that goes to marry knows his duty. I know why I'm all there. You know, so I don't care.
Hey, I know she's going to be very hot. Hey, I feel for her. I feel for her too. I feel for her.
Anyway, this is what you've been waiting for, so come and do what you're supposed to do. Then I say, Konemaro.
I won't join you now, swap. I'm a more yadovala and you call you Bruno.
Dobagoli, Obrunka, wena. Babulabu. Oh,
my kinsman, no problem.
King's women on Hanoro.
The hatred is so much, enviness and jealousy so much. Kedia gemu we meta.
What is it? What is it?
The enviness is so much. This hatred is so.
Mama, good morning. This one you came to my house this early morning. I hope all is well.
How can all be well when you have connived with my brother to make me unhappy?
Hey, Muakwa, God forbid. God knows that I cannot watch you get unhappy for any reason. I cannot connive with anybody to make you unhappy. Please tell me, what is the problem?
My brother and my mother are trying to kill me. They are making life unbearable for me. They are frustrating me.
Obiago, please don't worry. I've always talked to Obiago. I've always talked to him. I have told him times without number that he should stop making life unbearable for you. But Obiago will not listen to me at all. Don't worry, I will continue talking to him. I will continue. I know he will listen and stop making life unbearable.
Please do. Do please. At this time in my life, I should be left alone. I really need to be left alone so that I can mourn.
understand what you're saying. I'm so sorry. I can be your companion at a time like this. Please. I'm sorry. Can be very selfish. So she wants me to quench the pressure in their own house. Yet she would not want to marry me. She would not want to quench the pressure of being a bachelor in my own house.
By that?
What do I mean by that? You're asking me, Canicia? Listen, I said this betrothal thing is no longer working. It is no longer working. You were busy looking at late Zebenjo, who was not even looking at you. He was not even giving you attention when he was alive. So now he's dead. Give me attention. I deserve it. Mba. Okay. I bought him and my attention. Give me all the things I gave to you. The money, the food, everything I have given you today, you will refund it.
You are sick.
I'm sick.
Yes.
I'm sick.
Alan, you are sick. Look at this ingrate. Chalu. Oh, is it because I, Mwani Karisia, if you come, negodim, if you come my body, Negudi Ofuma gave you access to my body.
You gave me access to your body. Access to your body that both of us enjoyed. Both of us enjoyed it. It's with me, it's with you. Who is supposed to pay? Who is supposed to pay? Listen to me. I do not want trouble. Give me all the things I gave you back, since you do not want me again. Since you do not want to give me attention. Let us get married immediately. Otherwise, give me all the things I gave you. The
gods, the gods will not withhold the thunder and lightning that will strike you. Wait, do I look like Zikora, your sister, that you talk to and shout to anyhow? Better have respect for women, no? Wait, don't you have respect for a woman like me? No, try it, though.
But you give me all the things. You magical joga. What kind of nonsense is that? I did it for Yamos, especially that.
Baby, Nameza potami. Enyasia.
Wambe.
Isini potonye. I say,
Asị mali ya chebe enyi dube enyi.
Okay.
Odika say na akpọta m enyi mana mbe has sense. Too much sense.
Hey, the worst. Oza, ogwe enyi
ga-abụ isi oche.
Ebe a go o mechizi ahụ.
Enyi, oburo is not by size na. Enyi mumu. Yes, echedokwa itu aka esi wee kpụrụ ya. I went and handed over to the king. E were enyi gburi e. Be ya bechalin.
Ụmụ eduzia gwọgwọgwọ ngwọ.
Nke a nke ndị bekee na-akpọ koda.
Koda. Gwọgwọgwọ ngwọ. Koda.
Oh ya, ọ na-adazi gbim. Gwọgwọgwọ ngwọ. Ai. Asị mali ya chebe enyi ju ozuzu ịma na ọ bụrụ by side. Okay. Hey. Ina anụkwa gwọgwọgwọ ngwọ. Ịma anụ maka ndị bekee na-akpọ koda. 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 Gwọgwọgwọ ngwọ.
Mama. Obiago nwanne m. Food is ready. I'm off to Caricia's house.
Gwọgwọgwọ ngwọ. Ma. Ngwanụ.
Ngwanụ gịnị?
Olili eye no. Let us akwụ ofe akwụ. What is the problem?
Where name making isi? Eh? Do you want to die?
How kwanna?
Have you forgotten that since Zeben just death, this girl has been suspecting the two of us that we have a hand in his death. Let me tell you, this food is poisoned. She wants to kill us to avenge Zebenjo's death. Beware of dogs. Beware of poison.
Hi. How did I not think about this? Obiago, use your brain sometimes. Sometimes use your brain.
It is true. I'm not for 9 months. Can't you relate? Her sober mood a few days ago and her happiness today. Don't you think this girl is up to something we don't know of?
But all the one thing John Wayne has okay. If she can choose someone else just to poison her family, but the river can never swallow a man it did not see his legs. Ma, mba, and Mabia.
Inabia how?
And Mabia, Kamputa.
Ebeke naga.
One kitty, Magano and kitty. And a boom on 180.
Obiago, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
I'm coming.
Obiago. Hi. Let him just in Koro. Let him just in Koro because of this stupid Zebenjo. Eh? And as John eh? What kind of Zebenjo that has come to cause trouble in my house? That's Zikora, my own daughter. My own daughter wants to poison me and her only brother. Eh? What kind of trouble is this one? Let him just away because of Zebenjo. Hey, because God forbid.
The hatred is so much, enviness and jealousy so much. Kedia gemu we meta, she won't be do mata. I love you.
You may not know how it starts. You fit not know how it starts. Even me, it's all over me. Zikaramo, I love you.
Papa, welcome.
I give you my own heart. I love you.
Who is that young man?
That is the same person I told you my daughter rescued from the bush and harbored him here against my wish. Somnazi, who is this young man?
I found him lying helplessly in Amuwaji Forest.
So you brought him to my house? See, I don't want to have anything to do with anybody from Umujiri Cave community. Please.
Papa, I found this man and he appears to have been beaten by unknown bad men, Papa. How are you even sure he's from Umujiri community?
That is the only common boundary we share together. And it is only Umujiri that shares the same boundary with Uzowane.
Papa, let him regain his consciousness first, and then we can settle this. He is exactly the kind of man that I want for myself. Oh, I am really falling in love with him. And I love the situation with which we met. He was helpless, and I was his only source of survival. I would take advantage of this situation and make him my husband.
Somnas. See me immediately. Now.
Papa.
I have monitored the way you look at that stranger. I want you to put your emotion on check because I don't want to have anything to do with anybody from Umujiri community.
Papa, what the late? What the crazy late?
What are you talking about?
What the late, Papa? Papa, I've fallen in love with a stranger, and there's nothing I can do about it. I can't stop it.
You do no such thing.
Maka, why, Papa?
Because I don't like him. He is a stranger. You know nothing about him. And besides, you don't know what he did that put him in that condition. I have not finished. You don't have to have anything to do with him. Like I said before, you don't know anything about him.
Papa, can I remind you that I've never stood against you in any decision that you have made. Even when you chose your mistress, Chigono, the seer, did I stand in your way? Biko now. Biko kanji ayogi. Biko ni need no one kanji. Allow me to be with the man that I love. Love had a reason. Love can be found anywhere, anytime. And I came out and I found him in the bush. And you found your own in a seer. Of all human beings, a seer. Someone who sees ancient and future things. Papa, leave it. Leave it, Papa. Leave it.
I love you. You may not know how it starts, oh. You fit not know how it starts, oh. Even me, It's all over me. Zikora Mo, I love you.
Look, you see this man? This man has a great connection with you. And his blood traces back to his family, which actually is his place of abode.
What are you talking about?
This man is the reincarnate of your grandfather, Onbuarere.
How can that be? My ancestors cannot reincarnate to a distant land. I have never heard it in the history of reincarnation. A man must reincarnate to his roots.
I don't know, but I think it's left for you to fix this mysterious puzzle. Ekuchakwam Anam.
I love you. You may not know how it starts. You fit not know.
I'm telling you. Obviously, you don't worry. Next time, you happy. I say, hey, you got to mess with him. I know. It's very cool. What is it?
Okay, you don't know them come mom.
Kezi in a team like that. Hey,
stand up.
Obiago.
Stand up.
Chalu, you're hurting me.
Follow me, I'll see me, I'm hurting you.
Obiago, okay. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Mind what you say to me. Be careful and please think before you talk. Anyway, see, I came to you because we're like this. Yes. Tell me. What is going on? And I want you to tell me the truth. Tell me everything you know. What is going on?
What is going on where?
What is going on where? I am not a dunce. Tell me. Okay, I know I wronged you and I have said sorry. But tell me, are you a part of Zikora's plot to eliminate my mother and I?
God forbid! What are you talking about?
Alicia, don't bring this your act of pretense because you are not even sounding convincing right now. You are not. Tell me.
Obiago, watch your tongue.
Zikora is planning to poison I and my mother. Yes, ever since she confirmed Zebenjo's death.
What? Why would you think she wants to do a thing like that?
Because she believes that Zebenjo wouldn't have died if we had allowed them to get married. Yes. And then she stopped doing anything in the house, stopped cooking, stopped doing house chores, until today that she made food, poisoned it and served my mother and I. So tell me please, what is she up to?
How am I supposed to know? Besides, you know your own sister. She's incapable of hurting a fly even when it perched on her own food.
Obsession can make a woman do anything stupid. My sister Zechora, I know, can do anything for love. Yes, women are created that way, and you are aware.
Well, it's absurd for you to think that Zechora is capable of hurting even her own family.
How do you even know what Zechora is capable of doing? How do you know? She blames us every day for Zebenjo's death.
Speaking of Zebenjo's death, Obiago, are you sure you're innocent?
What kind of question is that? Huh? Mind what you say to your husband to be.
Obiago, Akagi Adirocha. Your hands, they are not clean. Akagi Adirocha. Huh?
The hatred
Kalicia.
is so
Kalicia.
much. Enviness and jealousy so much. Kedia gemura we meta. Chiwo benye do batoso. The enviness is so much.
How Albanja used to come and go. It directs us to see things that are not there and things that do not make sense.
Be mindful, she is still my woman.
There is no doubt about that. There is no doubt. But how can she say that my man is a reincarnate of this family? Papa, hear it. Does it make sense to you? Listen.
I don't know, honestly. But I think it is good for us to allow him to go back to his root, so that it will be easier for us to trace him back to us if he is really a reincarnate of this family.
Papa, I disagree with you. Zebenjo will not leave this family and go and stay with another family. He will stay with this family. How can she say that Zebenjo is the reincarnation of your grandfather, Omubari? Papa, look at him. Does he even resemble him? Look at him.
I cannot say for sure because I was very tender when he died.
So you believe her?
She is a seer.
She is your mistress.
I know.
She is your mistress.
The hatred is so much. Enviness and jealousy so much.
I think I have to go now. I really do appreciate the hospitality I got from here.
Z, you're welcome. But please, Z, do not leave. My love.
Don't worry, I have to go. I have to go and see my father, so he won't die thinking that I'm dead. Okay? I'll be coming to see you, or you can actually come to my hometown.
See, please. Don't go.
Hey, women will always be women. Why were you eavesdropping on us?
Okay. I was just curious to hear if he would accept his proposal after everything.
Well, I'm already starting to think towards that direction. That's if your brother will man up and stop being a coward by living at the glory of his own mother.
So what happened to your imaginary dream man? What happened to him?
Well, since no man is forthcoming for now, and as the sun rises and sets, so as we get closer to menopause, then grey hairs. That is to say, the available will become the desirable. So, I don't love him that much, but I may grow to love him later.
What were you discussing with him?
Zikora, your brother fears that you believe he's responsible for Zebenjo's death. And so you plan to poison him. So tell me, did you plan poisoning your entire family because of Zebenjo's death?
I don't know what you're talking about, and if you don't mind, I'll have to be on my way. Please sort your marriage issues with him.
I think I have to consider marrying Obiago. Since Zebenjo is dead, one thing that is for sure is that I cannot live to watch Zikora get married or successful before me. Since Zebenjo is dead, then let me manage her brother. At least my children will be older than hers. And that will keep me always above her in every gathering that concerns the king's women.
What did she say? Huh?
What did you expect her to say? You don't expect us to accept that she poisoned your family.
I am not a coward. I'll be on my way.
I am ready.
Eh?
I am ready.
Hmm?
I am ready to marry you. Run now, go and tell your kinsmen they should come quick. Let's do all this marriage rites and conclude everything at once.
Wow. Start going before
I change my mind though.
Hey, in that case,
shh. I'll change my mind. Start going. Be fast. The earlier we conclude, the better for both of us. Or the better for you.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
I wish I would see you to come quench my fire. The urge to be with you, clinging onto you and sharing the experiences of life together. I wish I have someone like you who will help me stretch to my height and say yes to my dreams. I wish I could nestle into your warm arms to delete the coldness of the weather. Life could be so cruel that yours was short-lived.
A phoenix is a bird. A mysterious bird at that matter. It lives once a time. When it wants to die, it sets itself ablaze into ashes and releases the ashes that forms the next generation. Zebenjo is indestructible.
Is this truly you?
Zebenjo is alive.
Is this my Zebenjo?
How are you, my queen?
Now that you are here, I'm okay. I am fine now that you are here.
Do not reveal this vision to anyone until the identity of those people that wants to kill me is being revealed.
Where are you rushing to?
Hey, Obese. My eyes have finally seen my ears. Miro, Zebenjo is back. And to think of the fact that I am the prime suspect of his death is worrisome. I am finished though. Chimo.
Finished, you said? No. You are not finished. Rather, you need to finish what you have started. Since you killed him and he resurrected and came back, we have to go and kill him again so that we will have peace. Obiago.
Obeze, I am finished.
Are you scared?
Obeze, I am finished. You do not understand.
I insist that you are not finished, Obiago. You need to finish what you have already started. I remember vividly that you told me that you killed him. So what you need to do is to go back and kill him again to make sure he is dead and found. Zebenjo's appearance in this our community is the center point of our problem. Yes! Listen to me. You are betrothed to Carisia, and the same Carisia is running after Zebenjo, while I am betrothed to Zikora, who is also running after Zebenjo. So you see, Zebenjo's emergence in this community is the main point of our problem. The best thing you need to do as the Obiago that you are is to go back and finish what you have started, kill him again, and make sure he is nowhere to be found again. I thought you said you made sure you burnt him to ashes. What is happening?
I lied.
What do you mean you lied? Obiago.
I did not kill him. I took the glory of his disappearance for possible gratification.
What are you saying?
You do not understand.
Papa, Papa. Is this my son? Or is this the square root of impossibility? Eh? Hey! Hey! Johnny Chen! Johnny Chen! With the Chen! I'm a couple! Hey! The Ranger! So this is you?
Yes, Papa.
I've always known that the gods will vindicate my instincts. Hey! Ewele! You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Papa.
Hey! Please, sit down. Come and sit down, my son. Come and sit down. Oh. Today is a great day. Oh.